Here we are demonstrating IoT water quality system using BlinkApp notifications and gauge monitoring this BlinkApp. So here the main parameters like sensors we are using is pH sensor to get the pH value of the water, and as well as conductivity, that is the EC electrical conductivity from the sensor, and LM35 is for temperature monitoring purpose, and a turbidity sensor in order to get the transparency like the visibility inside a liquid. So these four parameters continuously monitored by our Arduino Uno board, and the sensor data will be arranged in a format to send the particular data to the Blink app. So that's using ESP8266 module, and also we are going to continuously stream the data on this LCD screen. So that is 16:2 LCD. So coming to the interfacing connections, pH sensor we interfaced at the A2 pin, and temperature sensor at A0, and conductivity for A1, and turbidity is for A3. So here this is just a breadboard in order to distribute the 5 volts power supply in between these all modules along with the Wi-Fi and LCD and the sensors. Okay, and the LCD module interfaced at pin numbers of 2 to 7 pins, and 8 and 9 pins are interfaced to the ESP8266 module. So directly we are going to sending these 4 datas to the Blink app by making use of this ESP8266 module. Before switching on these kits, we need to provide a Wi-Fi network along with data. So for that purpose, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So go to the hotspot settings of your phone and just change the hotspot name, configure that to project. All are small letters without any space, without any capital letter. That's project 4652, and the password should be 129. So it's very important, check twice. So after checking these settings, and then enable the hotspot along with data. So data along with so and after that only enable the data and hotspot. After that only enable the power supply to our kits. So then there will be a welcome message on the screen. We can see that, and the temperature, pH, conductivity data will be continuously streaming on this LCD screen. And also we can see that in connected devices the ESP module is connected. And after this confirmation, now go to the Blink app. So log into Blink app from the giving credentials. Now we can see that there is no red mark. If the Wi-Fi module doesn't get any internet or a data or a Wi-Fi networks, then there will be a red mark on this Arduino symbol. So now we are getting continuous data streaming from the kit. So just you can observe the changes on our Blink app. I'm placing this conductivity sensor inside a water so we can see that the conductivity values has been changed here, and as well as the temperature also. Just dip only the black parts into this water. So we can check the temperature values also, it will be decreased. So as well as we need to dip this pH sensor inside a water bottle till end of this system, as well as the turbidity values will be displayed here continuously. We can observe the changes inside the turbidity values. Okay, and also the total data will be continuously streaming on this LCD screen with temperature in degree centigrade, and the stability in NTU units, and EC electron conductivity is in micro seconds per centimeter. Thank you.